Passengers should proceed to track 7.
Wow, guys, check out all this color change.
Enjoy what Johnny shows.
Hi guys, today we're across Penn Station and this new station opened. Look,
Where?
there,
What's it called?
Mountain Train Hall.
Moynihan Train Hall. Yes, we're here at, oh my gosh, you see the colors are changing? It has some lights up there.
Cool.
So this like annex just
It has
opened.
Amtrak.
It's a new train station. There's Penn Station, guys, but we're not going there. No, sirree. We are going to go check out this new train station, this train hall. And do you know what trains are going to be running here?
Amtrak and Long Island Railroad and Metro North.
I don't think Metro North, but yes, Amtrak, Long Island Railroad, and I think New Jersey Transit in the future.
Yes.
Okay, guys, so this is it. A bunch of pigeons here just chilling.
Just taking the lunch break. I ate a hot dog for lunch.
Nice. There's like several entrances. I think there's another entrance over there. Let's go check it out.
There.
It's such a big building.
Yo, this wouldn't be our house.
You want to live there?
Yes.
I can't. To the trains. 2 trains. Let's go inside. Check it out. What logo is that?
Amtrak.
Amtrak. And how about this one? Long Island. All right, are you ready to go in? Okay, this is our first time.
Wanna go to Amtrak?
Here we are. Here's how it connects to Penn Station. So here's Penn Station, and then
Look,
you can
my
actually
favorite.
connect
Yeah.
here. I know, the E train. The A and the C and the E.
Passengers to please take all of your personal belongings. For your safety, stand behind
Look,
the
New Jersey
platform.
Transit. It's over there.
Please caution when boarding the train.
Let's
Clear the
go.
gap between the train and the platform.
So look, you can actually buy some tickets here for the Amtrak. We're not riding an Amtrak today.
Why?
Guys, where are we gonna go? But do you guys think we should? Like, here's some elevators. I think we should take it to.
Manhattan.
We are in Manhattan.
No, to Penn Station. Run it!
Wait for me! Wow, guys, this is so tall.
Look, escalators.
Escalators.
Look, this is how they built it.
Oh yeah, you watched that video when we entered? Yeah, this was the dome part of it. Wow, guys, it's so pretty. Look at that clock over there.
That looks like Big Ben.
Big Ben.
And they stole the Big Ben clock and they destroyed it and they made it like that.
Neil
Look,
Patrick
look.
Moynihan.
Look,
So over there is a ticketed waiting room where you await with your,
tickets.
and over there is where you can purchase tickets.
Food hall.
Food hall. Ooh, I'm hungry.
Me too. I'm very hungry.
You can buy your Long Island Railroad ticket here, and you can buy your Amtrak ticket over there. Oh guys, look, there's like a seating area. There's like 2 levels. I want to go upstairs. I'm gonna explore. Come here, my explorer. Let's go. All over there too, offices and shops. Huh, okay, let's go this way first since this is the closest thing to us. New York, ever upwards.
Or take the stairs.
You wanna take this? Okay, I'm getting the escalator. Ciao.
I'm going up here. Hi.
Hi. Goodbye.
So,
Train hall, that's where we were.
yo.
Yo, hi. Look at me. I'm taller than you. Are you tired?
Wait.
Attention, please. This is a boarding call for Amtrak Northeast Regional Train 140 en route to Springfield with intermediate stops. Passengers should proceed to track 7.
Would you like to hold my hand?
Wanna go over there?
Yeah, let's go over there. Tea. Here, guys.
The restaurant there. What is this? Huh?
I think this is going to be an opening so you can see down, but it's not finished yet. They're still like, you know, kind of constructing things. So I think part of the post office is still here. Guys, it smells like new building.
434 train to track 19.
Oh look, we're in the second level now.
How did you do that?
We teleported.
Maybe it's magic.
Baggage policy allows 2 bags per
Where are you? Amtrak Metropolitan Lounge. For you, one for me. Have a seat. Guys, this is a little fancy area. Come, Johnny.
I think if I break it.
We're going down. We're gonna go check out the train. I don't even know where we're going. I hear some trains. Oh, something is leaving.
Oh my god.
What?
That's cool.
It's the Long Island Railroad. Guys, New Jersey Transit.
Yeah.
What is this?
A work train.
Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this work train. Rail King.
Real king.
I hear something arriving. Oh, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, the M9! The M9!
Wanna ride it?
It just left! Guys, we have literally been looking for this train for like, I don't know, we went like maybe 10 times to different stations to try to get this train, and we never caught it, and I just saw it leaving. I hope I caught it on camera. I'm so like freaking out because, well, we just saw it and we weren't even on that side.
Look, I have that wooden train. Look up.
I know, you have it. How about this one? Do you have this one?
No.
No.
But the MTA one. This is not
Look, 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 look.
What?
Long Island, Boston, New Jersey, and Washington, D.C.
Go to the museum.
It's closed right now. Museum. Let's see, what does this sign say? Apologies for our appearance. At this time, we are currently going through major construction and renovations to improve our lobby.
Close this.
Look, this used to be the post, or it's still the post office, I think, on the other side. Let's look at the other side. Let's see what's there. These are so like old, ancient. Oh, guys, look, the post office is still here. I heard that this used to be like a sorting center, like where they would sort out the mails. Soon, we're going to be writing some things here. Where should we go? Let us know in the comments, where do you want us to go? Wow, they really worked on this thing.
Here.
Yeah. Look at all that construction.
Too hard. You shouldn't do it, right?
Moynihan Train Hall. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye! Guys, you can see like the lights shining so nice when it's darker. Look how cute it looks. Guys, check out all this color change. It's like it turns from teal, blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, green. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. And check out Johnny Shows Gaming. Bye!
See what Johnny shows next. See what Johnny shows next.